Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and I especially welcome you to this video on Forex Trading Without Indicators. Now, most traders fill their charts with tools and signals, thinking the more indicators they have, the better their trades will be. But often, too many indicators create confusion. All right, and the truth is that the market leaves clear footprints in price, and if you learn to read them, you won't need indicators at all. So what does it mean to trade without indicators? It means focusing on pure price action, right? Every candlestick tells a story of buyers and sellers. Okay, the highs and the lows reveal structure, and the way price moves shows momentum. So instead of relying on a lagging tool, you rely directly on the information that price gives you in real time. So now let us break down the main concepts. Okay, the first is market structure, and this is the backbone of price action trading. You need to recognize when the market is forming higher highs and higher lows. All right. You also need to recognize when the market is forming lower highs and lower lows. Remember that higher highs and higher lows is for an uptrend, lower highs and lower lows is for a downtrend. Okay. So structure gives you the map of where price has been and where it might go next. All right. Now, the second is support and resistance. Okay. Support and resistance. These are the areas where price reacts repeatedly. Okay. Support is where buyers step in, right? Support is where buyers step in, and resistance is where sellers take control. So identifying these zones on a clean chart gives you a strong edge because they are the levels institutions often respect. Now, the third is candlestick patterns. All right. A single candle or a group of candles can reveal shifts in momentum. For example, if you find a pin bar, all right, if you find a pin bar may signal rejection, okay, while an engulfing candle, right, like what we can see happen here, an engulfing candle may show strength in a new direction. So learning to read these patterns helps confirm your entries without the need for extra tools. Okay, now let us talk about um, applying this approach step by step. Okay, start by clearing your chart of indicators. Next, you mark your support and your resistance levels. Okay, then you observe the market structure. Is it trending up? Is it trending down? Or is it ranging? So once you know this, you wait for price to approach key levels. You watch how candlesticks behave at those areas. Then if you see a rejection or perhaps a momentum shifting, that is a potential entry signal. All right. Now, in this example, we can see that we are in an uptrend, right? Price was forming higher highs and higher lows, right? We were in an uptrend. And now we can see that we had, this is a zone here, right? Remember that when a support is broken, it turns into a resistance. When a resistance is broken, it turns into a support. So basically, price got to this resistance zone at the time before it turned into a support. And then you can see how price was, fluctuating around that zone, rejecting it and all of that. And then eventually, you can see that we had a breakout from that zone. And then we had a pin bar showing rejection, right? Now, right after that, you can see this bullish candle that formed, This would have been a good time to enter a buy trade because the price action was in support of it, breaking above resistance, testing it, having a rejection candle form, and then a bullish candle that shows a continuation. It would have been a good place to enter a buy trade. Set your stop loss appropriately and target, next resistance zone for your take profit. Now, another powerful element in forex trading without indicators is liquidity sweeps. Okay, the market often pushes above highs or below lows to grab stop losses before moving in the intended direction. So by paying attention to these sweeps, you can avoid traps and enter with the smart money. Now, here are a few tips for success with this method. Okay, first of all, keep it simple. It's very important. Don't overcomplicate your analysis. Clean charts make decisions easier. All right. Secondly, practice patience. Not every candle is a signal, and waiting for the right setup is part of trading discipline. All right. The next, you have to trust price. Indicators are built from past data, but price is the raw proof of the market. Okay. So by now, you should understand how Forex trading without indicators works. You've learned the importance of market structure, support and resistance, candlestick patterns, and liquidity sweeps. Just a little bit, more emphasis on liquidity sweeps. Basically, when you have a resistance zone, for example, or a support zone, whichever one, and then you have price get to that zone, and acts as if it wants to break out. Acts as if it wants to break out only for price to reverse. In that case, it could be that smart money is just grabbing liquidity. Those that would have set buy stop above here now, probably the others would have gotten triggered and then ends in loss. Those that would have entered a sell trade and set their stop loss around here, their stops would have been hit and price reverses back in their direction. So all these things are signs of smart money trying to grab liquidity above highs or below lows. Okay, so you've seen how to market charts and trade step by step, right, using nothing but price. So if this video gave you clarity on how to trade with clean charts, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss future strategies and tutorials. Share this video with anyone who wants to simplify their trading and learn to trust price action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.